Well folks, it's boat movement again today. As you can see, we've had the floods. That pontoon is unsafe there. This is very muddy along here. Just going to paddle my Silhouette Mark III up to the slipway, up over there, take it up, and going to do a refit, clean it up. Everything, it's looking a bit shabby at the moment, ready for the new season. But yeah, it stayed in there all over the winter time. Two swans making up here. Right, going to use the Mark I paddle here, just to, it's only about 40 metres, got to go. And would you believe the wind's in the right direction? There's hardly any current around here. Right, so get on board and paddle it up there. But yeah, we were battered by the floods again. Clubhouse got just survived getting flooded a second time. The water was right up to the steps. But yeah, water's going down now. The big clean-up operation starts. Right, yeah, go on. Update. Oh, let's steer it. It's coming out nicely. Is that hard? Huh? Is it hard? Yeah. What we'll do in a minute is just get the wheels out of the water and chock it. And then take out these other connecting bits. And then bring the yellow bit back down to the boat. Bit more. Okay. But as you can see, the chocks are nicely placed, and that was the first attempt, believe it or not. Right, we'll chock it with some bricks. Or a bit of wood or something. Yeah, it's looking a bit of a mess. Jet wash. Clean it up. Should be alright. Eh? Yeah, it could do, just a little further. And then we'll be out of the mud then. Alright, go on. Right, we're going to find some bricks and chock it out. Looks like one of the sides is a bit low on one side. Right, both sides, we're going to pump up in a bit. You puffed out there. Clive's boatyard is coming to fruition now. It's going to go down there. That little gap there. Right, so got the up to the top of the slipway, the Silhouette Mark III. Got this winching system here. I'm going to blow the tyres up, and then we're going to endeavour to get it round and park it just over here. Now I can do some work on it.